Good afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. So we've had this van for probably nearly a month now, and that's just because this customer didn't need this van, dropped it off to us and said, look, it's not officially booked in, but get it done as soon as you can and when you can do it. It's a 2024 T6.1 and this particular customer wanted to work. So we discussed over email and telephone call all the different sound deadening options and also our premium Audison sound system, which is what we've done in the front, and we've then done sound deadening. So join me in the back and I'll go through all the different sound deadening that we've applied to this vehicle. So when this customer picks up his van today, he's going to be able to drive home in nice quiet silence, but also then with his Audison sound system be able to listen to his music and enjoy it. Before we go inside, we just gloss over the sound deadening we've done on the outside. So this vehicle has been on our ramp, all four wheels have been removed, wheel arches have been removed where applicable and cleaned, and then we've gone for 4mm sound deadening. That's 4mm silent coat on all four outer wheel arches. Then the wheel lining's been put back on, wheels been put back on, torqued back up, and that's the outside of it done. The only other aspect of the outside is the scuttle plate. So we've taken the windscreen wipers off and the plastic tray inside there, and you've got access to then the scuttle plate, which is really difficult to fit or apply sound deadening to. And the reason being is because you've got the windscreen wiper motor arms and motors in there. What we have done in there is again applied 4mm sound deadening to this plate, and that stops a lot of the road noise coming in down through and into the engine bay, or into the cab rather. Now I'm going to jump inside and talk about the inside stuff. So you could say that this vehicle has had full metal jacket when it comes to the sound deadening side of things. We have had the whole of the interior stripped out, so that's the floor, the side panels, the roof, both seats and the front carpeting as well. So just to gloss over what we've done here, we've discussed on the outside. On the inside we've gone for 4mm sound deadening as well. All underneath this matting here for the floor is 3mm sound deadening all the way up to the front cab. And then behind both the side panels and the two sliding doors and the tailgate, we've gone for 2mm silent coat. And on the roof, now the whole of the roof has been applied with silent coat. Now some of you watching this would say, why do you want all of that done? Well, sound deadening, if you have a panel that hasn't got any sound deadening and you apply one sheet of sound deadening, that will massively help. But with a lot of these vehicles, they're not particularly well insulated and do pick up a lot of road noise from the outside, from the wheel arches, the wheels, depending on size tyres and wheels you've got on. So us applying 2mm sound deadening future-proofs this vehicle, whether it's being used as a van, a day van or a camper, or being converted. Fitting the 2mm sound deadening alleviates all and any unwanted road noise, and that's the reason why we've done it. On top of the 2mm on the sides and on the roof, we've then put panel liner on. So panel liner is a 12mm sticky backed foam product. That's gone over the top of the sound deadening, which you'll see in the video anyway, and that's on the sides and on the roof, but not on the floor. It's just sound deadening on the floor. Wheel arches have been left naked, and that's because of the fact that the wheel arches will either be covered with wheel arch liners, but this is how they come from factory. So the customer will probably either have this carpeted and covered, or a wheel arch liner over the top. On the roof, again, we've gone for the 12mm panel liner. Then the back of the van has been rebuilt, and no different to both the sliding doors, 2mm sound deadening and 12mm panel liner. And the front, slightly different because Richard was doing the Audison premium sound system, which is a 5-channel amplifier in the front, an 8-inch subwoofer underneath the seats. And what we've had to do in this particular installation is, because it's a T6.1, there's an awful lot going on underneath the driver's seat. So the subwoofer box has been cut down, recarpeted, and the Audison 5-channel amplifier has gone under the passenger seat, so it looks nice and neat and looks really good. And also it's accessible if you need to do some tweaking. The front carpet has been out, and 3mm sound deadening has gone on the front floor, but 4mm on the 2 arches that you can see. And then on the roof, all of the interior headlining, roof lining has been out, 2mm on the roof, and also 12mm panel liner. Then not forgetting the doors, because the doors get done as part of our Audison premium system. We've done stages 1, 2 and 3 on the doors. That's 2mm on the outer skin, 2mm on the window regulator, and then a 15mm eggshell noise absorber on the doors. And then again, when you're driving from the driver's seat or where you've got a passenger, there's a lot of road noise that comes up through there. Now we've negated all of that, and that's now been massively reduced. So when this customer drives home, this is going to be a massive transformation for him, as well as having the Audison premium sound system fitted. We've just added a new one, or adding a new one to our range, which is the new Ultra Premium, and that's going to swap out the 5-channel amp and include a processor for those of you that want more and more control. Yes, it's more expensive, it takes more time. Please do get in touch with us if you're interested in that project as well. But 2024 T6.1 full metal jacket on the sound deadening side of things. There's no insulation or fleece been used. It is just sound deadening and panel liner, along with our Audison premium sound system. Website links in the bio. As usual, guys, thank you for watching, and keep telling your friends and family. Follow us on social media, and speak to you soon.